What if your AI agent could automatically create support tickets the moment a user reports an issue? With the Send API request action in Jotform AI Agents, you can trigger a post request to your ticketing system. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to automate ticket creation using API requests. In the AI Agent Builder, click the Train tab. Then, select Actions from the menu on the left. In the Actions panel, click the When dropdown to define the condition that will trigger the API request. If your agent already has actions configured, click Add New Action first. You can select a custom one and click Add, or an existing condition like User wants to. Then, in the State field, type in Create a Ticket. Next, in the Do dropdown, choose Send API Request. Then, select Post from the API Method dropdown, and enter your ticketing system's API endpoint URL. You can also configure this by clicking on the gear icon. Here, you can add HTTP headers. You can add required key value pairs, such as authentication tokens or content type. Then, you can enter request data. Define the fields your API will receive, like ticket title or issue description. Values can be static or dynamically generated from the AI conversation. After you have entered all of your information, click Save. Then, you can add your API execution message. Enabled by default, this is the confirmation message users see after the ticket is created. Using the plus icon, you can add multiple conditions, choose whether any or all must be met, add multiple actions that run simultaneously. This gives you precise control over when and how tickets are generated. You can click the minus icon to delete additional conditions. Make sure to click the Test Your API Request button. Click OK, then click Save once everything is configured. Then toggle Preview on to test your new action. If triggered correctly, your AI agent will send the API request and create a ticket automatically. And that's how you automate ticket creation using Send API Request. By connecting your AI agent to external systems, you eliminate manual work and ensure faster, smarter support every time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Jotform AI Agents video.